Hi Clarence and Yanni, this is Make Me Whole.
Darling, I want you to listen. I stayed up all night so I could get this thing right, and I don't think there's anything missing, 'cause a person like you made it easy to do. I've waited for so long to sing to you this song, 'cause your eyes are the windows to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Your love completes my existence. You're the other half that makes me whole. You're the only other half that makes me whole.